again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome if you are new. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. So I'm going to start with the House of Giving collection. I'm a little late getting this out, so I've got 4 colours from that collection, starting with Pure Nature. Then we've got Milky Way. I'm going to swatch all these in a minute anyway. Then we've got Astral Projection. Lovely. And lastly, we have got Astro Pie. Nice autumn, still autumn fall kind of colours, aren't they? So I'm just going to give these a quick swatch, and whilst I'm swatching these, don't forget, guys, I've got a brand new bigger better 35% off code for Madam Glam. It will be in my description box with a link to the website, so definitely take advantage of that. I really liked that really pale grey, because I haven't got one like that. And I've got something exciting to show you in a minute, so keep watching. So that's all 4 of them swatched, guys. I like every single one of these. I like them 3 together. I like them 3 together. Even all 4 together. They just, I'm not sure, I don't know, they just kind of go, don't they? They just look good together. I really like them. That's just 1 coat as well. Gorgeous. Right, guys, take a look at these. These are brand new scented gels. I do know Madam Glam do have some bubblegum kind of scented gels, but these are brand new. So we've got Sweet Chamomile. It's a gorgeous kind of pumpkin orange, isn't it? And they do smell, guys. Then we've got Rosemary Embrace. It's a darker kind of grey. I like that. Then we've got Eucalyptus Breeze. This one smells so strong of eucalyptus. And lastly, we've got Spiced Cinnamon, which is just a spiced cinnamon kind of colour, isn't it? So again, I'm just going to give these a quick swatch, and I'm just going to do a little gel polish design today. Today is my last autumn / fall vibes kind of set, and then I will be going on to winter designs. There is a poll on my YouTube where you can all choose what colour I'm going to go for on my first winter kind of set. I think the colours I put up were pink, white and blue. So if you want to get involved in that, click on my community post and you can get involved and pick what colour I go with first on my winter design. So there we go, that is all 4 of the scented gels swatched. So again, look at them 3 together. They just go, don't they? Love how bright, bold and vibrant the yellow and the green is. And then the yellow, the green and the red, these 2, perfect for Christmas, aren't they? Gorgeous. So I'll just quickly show you all 8 of those colours together. So them 4 are from November's collection, House of Giving. Beautiful colours. And then these 4 are from they're the brand new scented gels. I love all of them. Beautiful colours. Right, so shall we do some nails? So I've got my trusty old little practice hand out, and I'm going to use Ecuador, which is one of Madam Glam's brand new rubber bases. This is a really opaque, creamy rubber base. I literally only needed 1 coat, so I'm going to do just 1 coat on all of these nails. And they're curing the lamp for 1 minute, guys. Start checking the back of your bottles, because a lot of brands are switching now to 60-second cures rather than 30. So yeah, start checking the back of your bottles, guys. These are 1 minute now. So I did pull out Milky Way from the new November collection, but it wasn't bright white enough. So I'm using Water Tower. I didn't want bright white, but Milky Way wasn't quite white enough. So I've gone with this. This is Water Tower. It's just a kind of off-white, maybe a ultra pale grey. And I'm just going to do Frenchies on all the nails except the pointer. So they're all just going to have a French tip like this. I'll just show you this one, I think. And I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So that's all my Frenchie's done. My mum's dog's just decided to get her toy out. I do apologise if you hear anything like that. So I'm just going to put a bit of Astro Pie and Astral Projection on my palette. And on this pointer nail, I'm going to do a bit of a crisscrossy plaid slash kind of sweater nail. So I've started with a line straight across diagonally like that. And then I'm going to do another one with this colour. But this one's going to be thicker. And I'm going to do 2 more thin lines further down the nail using this same colour. And then I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then whilst I've got those colours out, this nail and the pinky are going to be the same. I'm doing a bit of a plaid slash checkered. I keep saying slash. I've got to stop that. It's annoying me. So yeah, I've just done a crisscrossy like that, and I'm going to do 2 straight across the bottom as well. I'm going to keep doing the same on the pinky, but I'll do the pinky off camera. So going in with that green now, very similar thing, just a line straight down. I'm using the Madam Glam long fine liner. I love this brush for anything like this, kind of short lines, little notchy dashy things like this. It's a really versatile little brush. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend, and I am very fussy with my brushes, but this is one that I would definitely recommend. So I've just done a few little notches going across like that. Done the same on the pinky, and that's those nails pretty much finished now. I'm going to give all the nails a matte top coat. I wanted these nails matte, and I'm going to do a bit of a sweater print on the ring finger, so I needed that matte anyway. Right, on the free edge of this ring finger, I'm going to do my favourite sweater design. I like to just do that down, across to the right, and down. So down, across to the right, and down. I just find, for me personally, I find this easiest, and I think it looks the smartest. But there's loads. If you go on Pinterest and type in sweater nails, there's loads of different types of designs you could do. But I do prefer this one. So I'm going to draw a line straight down each side of that design, and some little notches on each side as well. And before that goes in the lamp, I'm going to sprinkle clear acrylic into it, because that's what gives it that embossed matte 3D kind of look. So give it a sprinkle with that clear acrylic and just leave it to soak in for a couple of seconds. And if you see any little shiny bits, give it another sprinkle. Put it in the lamp when it's completely matte. Right, so lastly I'm going to do a thick line going down diagonally across this nail, and I'm going to do a thinner line on each side of that thick line and stick them in the lamp quickly for 60 seconds. So now that pointer's been cured, I need that matte again, because that gel polish that I've just done has still got a tacky layer. So quick matte top coat, and same as that ring finger, I'm just going to do the little sweater print going down that thick line, and again sprinkle that with acrylic exactly the same way I did the ring finger. So there we go guys, that is this set finished. Not my kind of colours, but you know something? I love these, and I would wear these. I really like. I don't like those colours on their own, but combined together on this design, I really like them, and I would wear them. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave links below to the new scented gels and the November House of Giving collection, along with my discount code. Please remember to hit the like button guys, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.